Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on Save Website Browsing on your Threads app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just go up, you will click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on accounts, and it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on other account settings, then you come to next window here, you just go down and you come here to browser settings here, then you come here to this window, you come here to save website browsing, you will click here on this sign, and like you say, you will click here on turn off, and then like you see this color, it's gone. That's means save website browsing is turned off now. I wish know you I get it. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.